Junior with S.O.T. Metalworks. Hope everybody is doing fine and outstanding out there in YouTube land. So what do we got going on today here at S.O.T. Metalworks? Well, as you guys may remember, back last year sometime, in the middle of summer or late fall, we made a flagpole for the front yard. So we've been keeping the flag up, and supposedly you're supposed to keep that illuminated if you're not going to take it down every evening. So we don't want to be breaking any rules or regulations. So we want to make sure we do what we need to do and when we need to do it. So we've been looking at solar lights and stuff like that, putting little spotlights on there. I didn't want to run electric out there. I didn't want to go all that trouble, all that hassle, but the flagpole's been holding up fairly well. And we had a company reach out to us and contact us and say, hey, would you be interested in trying our light to mount on your flagpole and see if it works? So this is going to be a little bit of review on the light, and it is. So yeah, the light is APONUO. Don't quote me on that. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. Multifunctional solar flagpole light. So company reached out to us and said, hey, do a little video on it if you'd like to, but hopefully it works for you and it gives you exactly what you need. So let's get you set up. We'll run through the box of what all it comes with and everything. We'll go down here on the flagpole and see if we can make it work. All right, so let's get this bad boy opened up, see what we got. Not ever dealt with this company before, so we'll see how this goes. I mean, they're packed fairly well so far, so that's a good deal. Here is our bracket and our solar panel, all the nuts and bolts and hardware. Check that bad boy out. Got a little glue on it there. Does this have a film we have to take off? I'm not sure. Doesn't seem like there is. All right, a little bit of instructions. This will mount on a wall, mount on the wall, mount on your light pole. It'll mount on the ground, just about wherever you need it at. So this is what we've been looking at for a while. Been aiming to get one. Of course, things get set on the back burner, and sometimes you forget. But greatly appreciate this company reaching out and reminding us. So there's all your hardware. It looks fairly self-explanatory. That box out of the way. Got our panel. There are two brackets on there. That one's powder coated a little rough. Got a little dirt in it, but it's okay. We got our stake for our light in the ground. And then this one comes, wow, we got all kind of brackets. We got 4 brackets on this bad boy. So here is our light. LED. Ooh. Pretty snazzy looking light. There's that, and there's that. So we got a stake for each. Surely. Yeah, it looks like it goes in that center hole there. So we don't need the stakes. We're gonna put it on the flagpole itself. So let's go out here, get on the daggone flagpole, see if we can mount this thing up and see if we can make everything start working. And hopefully we don't run into no issues. But yeah. Let's see. APONUO. That's how you see it. There is the tag number for it right there. Made in China, of course. Everything is, but that's all right. We'll do all right because we're going to make it spotlighted American flags. So we'll try to get over the Chinese stuff. All right, let's go get her mounted up and see what happens. All right, headed out to old Glory out here. She is looking a little worse for wear. May be time to put a new old Glory up because she's getting a little tattered, a little worn. But that's all right. All right, guys, seems pretty self-explanatory. Got your 4 bolts and your 2 mounting brackets. Should just go around the pole. Should be easy peasy, nothing to it. Famous last words, right? All right, got her all mounted up there. I've got the solar panel there, kind of facing the sun just a little bit, but got the light hit it straight up. Go glory up there. Probably could put it up a little higher, but the way we've made our flagpole, I kind of wanted to keep everything down and out of the way. Everything should be fine. So I don't know for sure right out the gate, if this is a dawn to dusk light or what is on the back side of the panel. So you got your on and off switch, and then here, so one time, yeah, it's on all the time. The other time's dawn to dust, and then the other one is turn off. But the bad part is, I can't remember how many times I pushed the button already, so we're going to wait for it to get charged up a little bit. See what happens. So not too bad, not real heavily made. Got to look the price up online and see just how much this thing is. Haven't even done that yet, but I don't plan on posting this video right away. Plan on letting this thing be out here for a little while and trying to see how long it lasts. You know how these solar lights do nowadays. It's there's some of them are not lasting as long as maybe should be. So price should be able to dictate that. We will see. Wish we'd use some shorter bolts here. One thing about this, I wish this was round instead of the square. I don't know why it's square, because you're going to be putting it on flagpoles, not on square tubing. But maybe they made this so you could put it on like patio rails and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm hoping this thing works out really, really well. Bolts are a little long, but there's plenty of adjustment for however big a flagpole you have. Might go and trim these off and see what happens there. But fairly easy to hook up. I mean, from the solar panel to the light. So it's got the little small battery in there. I didn't break it open to see what was all in there, but we'll see how long it lasts. Like I said, not gonna do a post this video right now kind of deal. Gonna let this be out here for a while. Give it some time and see what happens. But yeah, shout out to that company for sending it to us. They knew we needed it and said, hey, if you get time, do a review on it, you know. So it was nice enough of them to do that. I hope it works out well. We only time will tell. We'll see what we can get out of it and see how long it hangs in there, but you never know. I'm going to try to put that company's information down in the description below. Hopefully, if you guys need one of these, you can get one. But I don't know, I'll be back a couple weeks or so, and we'll see how good it turns out. Things like this for me have a tendency not to hold up real well, so hopefully this one turns out better. But so far, it was an easy install. I can say that for it. So all right, I'll see y'all in a little while. All right, guys, so it showed up pretty good. You can kind of see the light there. No, it's a little dark, but it's hard to video this. But that joker shines up there and shows that flag awfully well. So been had this on here for a couple weeks now. It's been doing good. Give you another update in a couple more weeks, make sure everything's working like it's supposed to. But so far, so good.